Hello decorators! Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom decoration with a focus on mirrors. Mirrors are a fantastic way to elevate the style and functionality of any bathroom, and I've got a bunch of ideas and tips to share with you. So let's get started and explore how you can transform your bathroom into a stylish sanctuary. Mirrors are more than just a place to check your reflection. They're a versatile decor element that can significantly impact the look and feel of your bathroom. One of the biggest advantages of using mirrors is their ability to make a space appear larger. Bathrooms are often the smallest rooms in a home, but strategically placed mirrors can create an illusion of depth and space. If you have a small bathroom, consider installing a large mirror or even a mirrored wall. This not only opens up the space visually, but also adds a touch of luxury. Lighting plays a crucial role in bathroom design, and mirrors can enhance the lighting in your space. By reflecting both natural and artificial light, mirrors brighten up the room, making it feel more open and airy. To maximize this effect, place your mirrors opposite windows or light fixtures. This way, the light bounces off the mirrors and spreads throughout the room, reducing shadows and creating a more inviting atmosphere. When it comes to choosing a mirror for your bathroom, think beyond the basic rectangular shapes. Round mirrors are currently trending and can add a modern, yet timeless look to your bathroom. They soften the hard edges and lines often found in bathrooms, creating a more balanced and harmonious space. If you prefer a more unique look, consider irregular shapes or asymmetrical designs. These can become statement pieces that draw the eye and add character to your bathroom. Framed mirrors offer another layer of style. The frame you choose can set the tone for the entire bathroom. For a sleek, contemporary look, go for a thin metallic frame in black, gold, or silver. If your style is more traditional or rustic, wooden frames can add warmth and texture. There are also ornate decorative frames that can give your bathroom a touch of vintage elegance. The key is to choose a frame that complements your overall design aesthetic. Don't limit yourself to just one mirror. Multiple mirrors can create a dynamic and visually interesting space. For example, you could have a main mirror above the sink and smaller, decorative mirrors on the adjacent walls. This can create a sense of continuity and cohesion in your design. You can also experiment with mirror clusters, grouping several small mirrors together in a pattern. This not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds an artistic element to your bathroom. One practical tip is to consider mirrors with built-in storage. Medicine cabinet mirrors are a classic example, providing both a reflective surface and a place to store toiletries. There are also modern designs with shelves or hidden compartments behind the mirror. This is especially useful in small bathrooms where every inch of space counts. For those who love technology, smart mirrors are an exciting option. These mirrors can come with built-in LED lighting, anti-fog features, and even touchscreen capabilities. Imagine adjusting the lighting to your preference with just a touch, or having a mirror that never steams up after a hot shower. These high-tech mirrors can enhance your daily routine and add a futuristic touch to your bathroom. Mirrors aren't just for above the sink. Full-length mirrors can be a great addition to a bathroom, especially if you have the space. They're perfect for a last-minute outfit check and can make the room feel more open. If a full-length mirror feels too large for your bathroom, consider a floor mirror leaning against the wall. It adds a casual, yet stylish touch and can be easily moved if needed. Decorating around your mirror is just as important as choosing the mirror itself. Consider the wall color or tiles behind the mirror. A contrasting background can make the mirror stand out, creating a focal point. You can also add lighting fixtures around the mirror. Sconces on either side or an overhead light can provide both functional lighting and an elegant look. For a more dramatic effect, consider backlit mirrors that create a soft, ambient glow around the edges. Incorporating plants around your mirrors can add a refreshing touch of nature to your bathroom. Plants thrive in the humid environment of a bathroom and can soften the look of the space. Hang small planters around the mirror or place potted plants on nearby shelves. The greenery will reflect in the mirror, enhancing the natural, tranquil vibe of your bathroom. Another great idea is to use mirrored tiles. They can be used as a backsplash behind the sink or as an accent wall. Mirrored tiles catch and reflect light beautifully, adding a touch of glamour to your bathroom. They're also a great way to incorporate mirrors into your design in a more subtle, integrated way. When installing mirrors, consider the height and placement carefully. The The mirror should be at eye level for the primary users of the bathroom. If you have a family with varying heights, you might want to opt for a larger mirror to accommodate everyone. Ensure the mirror is securely mounted, especially in a bathroom where humidity and moisture can affect the adhesive or hardware. One innovative idea is to use a mirrored vanity. A vanity with a mirrored finish can make a stunning statement piece in your bathroom. The reflective surface adds a touch of glamour and can help brighten up the space. Plus, it complements any style, from modern to vintage. Pair it with a matching mirror above, and you've got a cohesive, sophisticated look. Speaking of pairing, consider matching your mirror with other bathroom accessories. This could be as simple as choosing towel racks, soap dispensers, or light fixtures that have similar finishes or styles as your mirror's frame. This creates a seamless, coordinated look that ties the room together beautifully. Now let's talk about placement. For double sink vanities, 2 separate mirrors can be more visually appealing than one large mirror. It gives each sink its own space and can add symmetry to the room. However, if you prefer a more continuous look, a single, oversized mirror that spans both sinks can also be striking, making the room feel more cohesive and spacious. If you're dealing with a particularly small or dark bathroom, consider mirrored surfaces on cabinet doors or even the ceiling. Mirrored cabinet doors can help make the room feel less cluttered and more open. A mirrored ceiling might sound unconventional, but it can dramatically enhance the sense of height and space, making even the smallest bathrooms feel more expansive. Another creative use of mirrors is incorporating them into your shower area. A mirrored wall or mirrored tiles in the shower can make the space feel larger and more luxurious. Just ensure the mirrors are properly sealed and designed to withstand the humidity and moisture to avoid any damage over time. For a touch of personalization, consider custom-cut mirrors. Custom mirrors can be tailored to fit unique spaces or unusual shapes, allowing you to create a one-of-a-kind look. Whether it's a mirror that fits perfectly into a corner or an artistic, asymmetrical design, custom mirrors can add a bespoke touch to your bathroom. If you love art and decor, why not treat your mirror like a piece of artwork? Mirrors with intricate designs, etched patterns, or colored glass can serve as both a functional item and a beautiful piece of art. These artistic mirrors can become the focal point of your bathroom, adding a unique and personal touch. Let's not forget about mirror frames. If you have an old mirror that needs a refresh, consider updating the frame. You can reframe it with something that matches your current decor, or even DIY a frame using materials like reclaimed wood, decorative molding, or metallic strips. A new frame can completely change the look of your mirror, and by extension, your bathroom. Another stylish idea is using floating mirrors. These are mirrors that appear to float in front of the wall, often held in place by discrete brackets or wires. Floating mirrors create a sense of depth and can be particularly effective in modern or minimalist bathrooms. They also make cleaning easier, as you can reach all sides of the mirror. For a more dramatic and luxurious feel, consider incorporating a mirror with built-in LED lights. These mirrors offer a sleek and modern look while providing excellent lighting for makeup, shaving, or other tasks. The LED lights can often be adjusted for brightness and color temperature, giving you the perfect lighting no matter the time of day. Mirrors can also be functional beyond their reflective properties. For instance, a mirror with an integrated digital clock or a small display that shows the weather or your schedule can be incredibly useful, especially during the morning rush. Some high-end smart mirrors even have Bluetooth capabilities, allowing you to connect your phone and play music while you get ready. In summary, mirrors are a powerful tool in bathroom decoration. They enhance light, create the illusion of space, and add style and functionality. Whether you opt for a statement piece, a cluster of mirrors, or high-tech smart mirrors, there's a mirror solution for every bathroom. Think about the overall design of your bathroom and choose mirrors that complement and enhance this style. With the right mirrors, your bathroom can be transformed into a spacious, bright, and stylish retreat. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these ideas helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. See you next time.